And by the way, I forgot, I even have a gift for you. So there you go. So oh, you can open it up. It's got a little flap in the front. Here you go. And there you are. So so anyways, I gave one to
bottle cap opener.
Yes, yeah. So and you can glue it to the fridge too. So there you are.
Fridge magnet.
Yeah.
Bottle opener.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, you're welcome. It's not much, but I really think that it's the least I can do for all the stuff that you've done for Munro. I mean, you put us on the map. I had, you know, it's been a rough first half of this year. This part of the year seems to be going a whole lot better.